এদিকে আসো।
Come here.
আজকে আবহাওয়া কেমন?
How's the weather today?
আজ খুব গরম।
It's very hot today.
বাইরে বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে।
It's raining outside.
তুমি চা নাকি কফি পছন্দ করো?
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
আমি চা পছন্দ করি।
I prefer tea.
আমি কফি পছন্দ করি না।
I don't like coffee.
তোমার পছন্দের রং কি?
What's your favorite color?
আমার পছন্দের রং লাল।
My favorite color is red.
ওকে, তোমার দিন কেমন ছিল?
How was your day today?
ভালো লেগেছে, ধন্যবাদ।
It's good, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Noran Ahmed. Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Dhaka. It's a very beautiful place.
How are you today?
I'm feel good. Thank you for asking.
What do you do?
I'm a student. I study English every day.
Do you like learning English?
Yeah, I do. It's English is very interesting and useful to me.
Thank you.
Welcome.
সাবধান থাকো।
Be careful.
আমার জন্য অপেক্ষা করো।
Wait for me.
আমি নিশ্চিত না।
I'm not sure.
সত্যি?
Really?
এটা একটা ভালো ধারণা।
It's a good idea.
আমার তাই মনে হয়।
I think so.
আমি জানি না।
I don't know.
তুমি কি আমাকে সাহায্য করতে পারো?
Can you help me, please?
আমি বুঝতে পারিনি।
I don't understand.
আমি বুঝতে পেরেছি।
I understand.
তুমি কি বুঝতে পেরেছো?
Do you understand?
থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।
Thank you.
Let's talk about your family. How many people are there in your family?
There are 3 people in my family. We all live together.
Okay. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I don't have any sister, but I have one brother, and she is very kind and friendly person.
Okay. Do you have any best friends?
I have one best friend, and his name is Jannat, and she is very kind and funny person.
What do you like to do with your best friend?
We don't like chatting, but we like play games.
Okay, great. Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my family.
Okay. Who do you like the most in your family?
My mother.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.